Hello students, let us continue the session on revision of the chapter data handling. We had discussed till 21 questions. 22nd question is, in an examination, the grades achieved by 30 students of a class are given below. Arrange these grades in a table using tally marks. Here we require two columns. One is the grades, another one is tally mark. The grades are A, B, C, D and E. The respective tally marks, I need to find it out. Whenever we do that, we go in a sequence. Once I count the letter A, I'll strike it off and I'll mark one line representing that particular letter. 2, 3. This is 2, this one is 3. So totally there are 3 A's. Let me write it properly. There are 3 A's. How many B's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember friends, when 5 is done, it is done like this. Fifth one is a horizontal, sorry, diagonal. 6. So totally 7 students have got B grade. Now coming to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here the numbers are 3, here it is 7, next is 10. Now we have to count D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to count E. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 6, these are 4. Let's add them up. We should get the total number of students. 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 6 is 26, plus 4 is 30. This is how we'll make the table with tally mark. Next question. The number of two-wheelers owned individually by each of 50 families are listed below. Make a table using tally mark. Here the number of vehicles and the number of families we need separately. So I'll write here the number of two-wheelers and the respective tally mark and the number of families. Here the two-wheelers are having the category like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tally mark for each one of them I need to write. Here first starting with the 0, once, twice, thrice. Further it's not there, so the number of families are 3. Likewise we have to do it for the rest of the things. Here 1, Let me count first. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that 5 I will write first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 3 more. So totally 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20, plus 5, 25, plus 3, 28 families are there having 1 as a number of two-wheelers. Next, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. So 14 families are having two-wheelers as 14. So 14 families are having two-wheelers. Next we have 3 number of two-wheelers. How many families? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 families with the number of two-wheelers as 3 number. 4 only 1 is there. So let's add them to get the total families. 4 plus 1 is 5, 19. 19 plus 28 is 47, plus 3 is 50. There is a sub question in this question. Find the number of families having 2 or more than 2 two-wheelers. Therefore 4 plus 1, these are the number of families having 2 or more number of two-wheelers. So 14 plus 4 plus 1, which is 19. So the 19 families have 2 or more two-wheelers. Question number 24. The lengths in centimeters to the nearest centimeter of 30 carats are given as follows. Arrange the data of the above using a tally mark and answer the following. Here we need to make the table. The different lengths are mentioned here. So let me mention the length here. Length and the tally mark. If it is 15, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The tally mark is 5. Here I'll write the number of carats. The number is 5. If the length is next in ascending order, we have got 18. I'll mention it here. 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next we have got 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next we have 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next we have 22. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 22, 4 in number. Let's add them. This will be 10. Plus 9 is 19, plus 6 is 25, plus 5 is 30. Hence it is getting tallied with whatever number of carats are there. Arrange the data in the tabulated form using tally mark. We need to answer this question. What is the number of carats having length more than 20 centimeters? When it is more than 20 centimeters, I need to consider these two rows. So for the first one, I need 6 plus 4 to be added. This will be 10. So the 10 carats will be having more than the length 20 centimeter. Next, which length of the carat occurs maximum number of times and minimum number of times? Here the maximum number of times is present in the case of 20 centimeters. So maximum is 20 centimeters and the minimum number of times is 22 centimeters. 20 centimeters is 9 in number, 22 centimeters is only 4 in number. Question 25. 30 students were interviewed to find out what they want to be in future. Their responses were listed as below. Arrange the data in a table using tally mark. Here the responses and the tally mark are to be noted. The responses as doctor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 students have responded as doctor. Here I'll write the number of students. Here the number of students are 10. Next is engineer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 students have responded as engineer. Next is pilot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them have responded as pilots. Next is officer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 of them have responded as officer. Let's add them up. It is 14 plus 6 is 20 plus 10 is 30. Question number 26. The following are the choices of games of 40 students of class 6th. Arrange these choices in the games using telemark. Which game is liked by the most of the students? Which game is liked by the minimum number of students? Here the games are football, cricket, Kho-Kho, hockey, and tennis. We need to write tally mark and the number of students. Hope you have understood the previous question. Similar way you have to make it and identify which particular game is liked by most of the students. I want you to solve this. I'll be just mentioning here. Probably you'll get football as maximum numbers. Probably you will get tennis as the minimum number. Probably. I want you to cross check. So this you need to fill it up. Fill in the blanks in the following table which represent shirt size of 40 students of the school. Here in few cases tally marks are mentioned, the respective number of students are missing, that we need to write. Here 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 cross, so total it is 5. Next 8, how do we represent 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 3 extra. The next one is 5 plus 2, 7. The next one is 10. Here 5 are already there. 5 more I need to write. This is 5 more. Next, to write 7, this is 5 plus 2, 7. Hence we have filled it and count the total number. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 7 is 23, 23 plus 7 is 30, plus 10 is 40. The total number of students is getting tallied here, 40 students. Next one, question 28. The following pictograph represents some surnames of people listed in the telephone directory of a city. Here the number of people are mentioned using one hand. Hand represents 100 people. So the surnames, we have to write the number representing this. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300. This is half, so this is 350. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 100 is 500. Next is 4 times 100, 400. Next is again 4 times 100, 400. 2 times 100, 3 times 100. Observe the pictograph following and answer these questions. How many people have surnames Roy? The number of people having surname Roy is 400. Which surname appears the maximum number of times in the telephone directory? Surname Patel appears the maximum number of times and it is 500 times. Which surname appears the least? Here the least is Saikia. Which two surnames appear an equal number of times? Rao and Roy. They appear equal number of times. With this question, I'll end today's session. We shall take up few more questions in the next session. Thank you.